Hi, I'm Roshit Walimanel, an implant surgeon. We are unboxing the Woodpecker Implant Air Motor today, which is an exciting new tool to your implant surgery. Inside the box, you will have the main Woodpecker AI motor, you have the power cable, you have the handpieces and the cables, and then you have the foot pedal, which is a multifunctional foot pedal. You have the saline cables, your certifications and user manual, and the saline rod. We've unboxed it. We have now connected the motor. Now the connection, obviously the power cable is connected on the back of the motor, and the foot pedal is also connected on the back of the cable. There you go, that's the foot pedal, and I'm gonna show you the handpiece, and the connection is on the front. Okay, and the handpiece is connected, which is a illuminated LED illuminated handpiece, which gives you more precise visibility, and the device itself is very compact, as you can see, so it'll fit in any compact, any tight spaces. Okay, and the display is very user friendly. You can go with implant placement at just the initial drilling obviously is 1500 speed, and the torque is also preset. Okay, for the placement of implants it's all preset. You just have to press the button there, and the saline and the saline feeder and the rod is all get connected now. So now you can start working on it. So why would I recommend Woodpecker DTE implant air motor to you? It's competitively priced compared to all these competitors in the market at the moment. The LED illumination on the handpiece makes it deeper to see the visibility while doing the procedure, and all the preset torque, speed, and for all the implant procedures. Okay, and you can use the torque which you use for the implant placement in your clinical nodes. And then it's very compact and lightweight, so you can fit into any tight spaces in your surgery, and it's universal compatibility to any implant system. Okay, and the multifunctional foot pedal, which will allow you to work freely and to change the settings while you're actually doing the procedure. And the Woodpecker signature durability and reliability. What else do you want?